Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, if you are watching this video for the first time, first watch part 1 of this and watch this. So, before going to our today's topic, let's recap. Father of coordinate geometry is Rene Descartes. The intersection of y-axis and x-axis is called origin. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. So now we will go to today's topic. Our topic is distance between any two points in xy plane. Case 1. If points lying in between any one of the coordinate axes. Here we can observe that A and B are the points are lying on x-axis and A is represented by x1, 0 and B is represented by x2, 0. So how to find the distance between these points? As simple as the formula is x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. This formula should be written in modulus. Similarly, P and Q are lying on y-axis. P is represented by 0, y1 and Q is represented by 0, y2. So, how to find the distance between these points? As simple as that, PQ equal to modulus y2 minus y1 or modulus y1 minus y2. We keep modulus because we take absolute values, that is positive values. Remember that distance is always positive. Remember that distance is always positive. Let's see some examples. What is the distance between the points? Points are first one T minus 5, 0, Q minus 9, 0. Here you can observe that y coordinate is 0. That means it lies in x axis. Let's see the answer. PQ. You know the formula. If they are lying on x-axis, the formula is x2 minus x1. Let's substitute. X2 is, what is x2 here? X2 is minus 9 and x1 is minus 5. Let's substitute. Modulus minus 9 minus of 5 modulus. Here minus into minus is plus. So that's why modulus minus 9 plus 5, that is minus 4. Modulus minus 4. We will take the positive distance, that is absolute value. That's why it is positive 4. Let's see second one. Here A is 0, minus 6. B 0, 7. Here you can observe that x-axis 0 is same. And so, what is the distance between the points if they are lying on y-axis? The formula is y2 minus y1. Here y2 is 7 and y1 is minus 6. So let's substitute. 7 minus of 6 modulus. Minus of minus is plus. There is 7 plus 6 modulus 13. So we will take absolute value, that is 13. We will go to next topic, that is case 2. the segment joining 2 points parallel to any one of the axes. Here you can see A and B and PQ. AB is a line segment, PQ is a line segment. AB is parallel to x-axis and PQ is parallel to y-axis. A is represented by x1, y1. B is represented by x2, y2. Here, so how to find the distance between the points if they are parallel to any one of the axes? Here, AB is parallel to x2 minus x1 because AB is parallel to x-axis and x1, x2 are equidistant from x-axis. Similarly, PQ is parallel to y-axis and is y1, y2 is equidistant from y-axis. So the PQ formula is y2 minus y1. Let's see some examples. What is the distance between the points? Let's see points. P 2, 2, Q 5, 2. Here you can observe that the y coordinates are same, that is 2. So they are lying on x-axis. What is the formula of x-axis if they are parallel to it? x2 minus x1. Here x2 is 5 and x1 is 2. We will substitute modulus 5 minus 2 modulus 3. We will take the absolute value, that is distance is always positive, that is 3. Here let's see second one. Here x is represented by 7, 3 and y 7, 5. Here you can observe that x coordinates are same, that is 7. So it is parallel to y-axis. If they are parallel to y-axis, what is the formula? Yes, it is y2 minus y1. Let's see the solution. Here, what is y2? y2 is 5 and y1 is 3. If this you substitute that, 5 minus 3, that is 2. We will take absolute value, that is distance is always positive, that is 2. Let's see distance formula. Observe this picture. In this picture, we can see that A and B are the both points and AB is a line segment. AB is not parallel to any one of the axes and it is not lying on any one of the axes. It is neither parallel or not lying any one of the axes. So how to find the distance in that? From that, let's see. To find the distance between 2 points in a plane, let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 be the points in the plane. Let AB equal to D. D means distance. By the definition of coordinates, OP equal to x1. So what O means origin. From O to P, the distance we remind as x1 and AP equal to y1. The distance between AP we will be assuming as y1 and OQ x2. The distance between origin from Q we will assume as x2 dq equal to y2. The distance between B from Q is y2. We will assume that is y2. So from geometry, AR equal to PQ. This is equidistant because we drawn an imaginary line from A that is represented by R. AR equal to OQ minus OP minus OP. If we want to get the distance that is OQ, OP, so we should subtract OQ minus OP. That is equal to x2 minus x1. And dr equal to PQ minus RQ. That is y2 minus y1. Here you can observe that it is right angle triangle. So what is AB here? It is hypotenuse. Let's use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AB square equal to AR square plus BR square. That is D. What we have assumed that AB is D. So D square equal to x square minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if we transpose this square, it will be converted into root. Therefore, the distance between 2 points x1 equal to y1 and x2 equal to y2 is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, under root difference of x coordinates whole square plus difference of y coordinates whole square. This is the formula of distance formula. Let's see example using distance formula. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Find the distance between the points 2, minus 4 and 10, minus 10. Let us assume 2 is x1 and minus 4 is x2. And let us assume 10 is x2 and minus 10 is y2. Let's substitute the points under root 10 minus 2 whole square plus minus 10 minus of minus 4 whole square. That is 10 minus 2, that is 8 whole square plus what is here minus into minus, it is plus. So it is minus 6 whole square. 8 square is 64 and minus 6 square is 36. Under root 64 plus 36. That is under root 100. Under root 100 equal to 10. So the distance between these 2 points is 10. Remember that the distance is always positive. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. In the next session, I will be discussing about distance between a point P, x, y and origin, collinear point and distance properties in some geometrical figures. Thank you. Bye.